What's up, y'all? It's Abdul. Let's get into the content of this video, which is how rich people spot winners first. But the first thing you need to know is that rich people don't chase deals, but there are two main ways that they get access to great investment opportunities. One way is that the deals just come to them. And the second main way is that they ride on the coattails of people that they know, like, and trust. So let's talk about the first one, the deals coming to them. The deals come to them a lot of times because they're in the right rooms. So more often than not, these rich investors are already in the inside. They already have the networks. They're already in these private investment groups. They're already in investing syndicates, and they are already in these circles where these types of deals get talked about. And so, because they're already in these circles, they're already a part of these networks where these deals get talked about, they have the opportunity to have deals just come to them. If you're a rich investor and you happen to be in these rooms and you've made some investments in the past and people know you're rich and they know you've made investment in the past, people who need money will find you, right? And so if you're rich, the deals just come to you because there are always companies out there, there's always founders out there that are looking to connect with people who have money and are looking to invest that money. And so rich folks, they may get calls from people, they may get cold emails from people, they may get random LinkedIn requests from folks trying to make connections so they can pitch their deals and potentially get some investments. But more often than not, these deals are coming to them via warm introductions. So they may get introduced to someone by someone they already know, like, and trust. And so that's how they're going to get a lot of the deals, by being introduced to these opportunities by people in their network or being in the rooms where these types of deals are happening. And they have the opportunity to participate in these deals just because they're in their rooms, they're in these rooms where these deals are happening. So that's the main one. The deals just come to them because they're in the right places and they have the right network. The second way is they just ride on other people's coattails. So if I know that she's rich, he's rich, she's made some smart investments, he's made some smart investments, and oh, by the way, she's about to make a new investment in this particular company, you know what? I think I'm going to make an investment too. Because if it's good enough for her, it's good enough for him, then it's probably good enough for me too. And that's the second big way. And that happens a lot. And so these people may not even do their own homework. They may not do any due diligence, or they may do some very rudimentary stuff. But a lot of times they're just riding the coattails of people that they know. As a matter of fact, I know professional investing firms that if they find out that a top tier investment firm has invested in a company, they won't even research the company. They would just say, okay, if that company invested in them, I know they do great research, then that's good enough for me. That happens with individuals as well. If I'm in my private country club, or if I'm in my private investment club and I know Betty over there invested 10 grand in this particular company. I know Betty is sharp. I know she dots her I's and crosses her T's. Then that's good enough for me. If she's in it, I'm in it. And that happens a lot, way more than you think it would. And so those are the two main ways that rich folks are able to get into these deals before anyone else, because they're in these environments, they're in these rooms where they're having conversations and Regular folks are not in these same rooms. And these private conversations are happening all around us. It's happening all around us. These private deals are happening all around us. They're happening in one-on-one conversations. They're happening in very small, closed rooms. And these are rooms that you're not privy to. And if you're not privy to being in these rooms, if you're not rich, if you don't have these network that can get you into these environments where these opportunities are happening, then you don't have access to them. But this is happening all around you every single day. $25 billion dollars of uh, investment changes hands from private individuals to small companies. 25 billion every single year. So it's happening all around us, whether you realize it or not, and whether you're participating in it or not. And that's what I'm trying to fix here at Agile Angels, because I am in those rooms where those deals are happening. I see those opportunities because I'm in those rooms and those opportunities come to me. I'm having those conversations and I'm in these events where these deals are being pitched by highly regarded founders with brilliant ideas seeking to turn their ideas into reality. So I know how rich folks doing it. I know how rich folks do it because I'm in those rooms and I'm doing it myself. And so I am trying to make all these same tools and methods available to everybody via my angel investing collective. I'm your representative in those rooms. And so I hope you'll join me.